Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix no internet secured issue in Windows 10 or 11. So in this video, we will show you few tricks. So just go through the steps one by one and you can fix the issue. If you have any doubt, just comment below. We will help you. So let's start. So if you can see right now, it is showing no internet and it is secured, but still internet is connected. So one by one we will check few things. Click on start menu, then search control panel. Once open, click on internet options, then click on connections and then LAN settings. Then click on this checkbox. If it is checked, then uncheck it, then click OK and then OK. Close the control panel. Now right click on internet option, then open internet and settings. It will open the settings. Just scroll down and click on advanced network settings, then scroll down, click on more adapter settings, and here I have Wi-Fi. So right click on Wi-Fi, open properties, just select TCP IP4, click on properties. If you are using any IP here, just select the first option and close it. Okay, just check the internet once if it is working. Okay, or else I'll show you one more option. Okay, still it is not working. Click on start menu, open settings. Once open, click on network options, then Wi-Fi, then click on manage known networks and forgot that network, and then connect the same Wi-Fi again. Maybe it will ask the password. Enter that, click on next. It will take some time. Okay, so it is connected and it is showing secured. So our Wi-Fi is connected successfully. Let's test the internet whether it is working or not. Okay, it is working fine. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.